Welcome to Steve Locks, your ultimate destination for all things dreadlocks and beginner-friendly hairstyles. Whether you're embarking on your hair journey or looking to elevate your locks, you've come to the right place. I'm here to guide you step by step with easy-to-follow tutorials, tips, and inspiration for amazing dreadlock styles. Let's unlock your hair's potential together. Let's get started. Exploring dreadlock styles. Dreadlocks offer a versatile range of styles to suit various preferences and occasions. Here are some popular options to consider. Microlocks and sister locks. These are small, versatile locks that allow for intricate styling. While they require more maintenance, they offer a refined look. Natural bohemian locks, embracing a free-spirited aesthetic. These locks often incorporate accessories and showcase personal style. Freeform and semi-freeform locks. For a more natural and low-maintenance approach, these locks allow your hair to form organically with minimal manipulation. Faux locks, ideal for those wanting a temporary style. Faux locks mimic the appearance of mature locks without the long-term commitment. Jumbo twists, starting with natural hair. Jumbo twists can eventually evolve into locks or be unraveled back to an afro, offering flexibility in styling. Tips for maintaining healthy locks. Regular maintenance, keep your scalp clean and moisturized. Regular washing and conditioning are essential to prevent dryness and buildup. Avoid excessive tension, be cautious with styles that pull tightly on the scalp, as they can lead to traction alopecia. Rotate styles to prevent stress on specific areas. Protective styling, incorporate protective styles like updos, buns, or twists to safeguard your locks from environmental damage and reduce manipulation. Regular retwisting, depending on your hair type and the style of your locks. Schedule regular retwisting sessions to maintain a neat appearance and promote healthy growth. Inspiration and community. Exploring various styles can keep your look fresh and exciting. Here are some ideas to inspire your next hairstyle. Updos and buns, elevate your locks into elegant updos or casual buns for a chic appearance. Twists and braids, incorporate twists or braids into your locks for added texture and dimension. Accessories, enhance your locks with scarves, beads, or cuffs to express your personal style. Remember, your LOC journey is unique to you. Embrace the process, experiment with styles, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you find value in what I share, please hit that subscribe button and join the community. Your support means the world to me and helps me get closer to my dream of being a big content creator one day. Let's unlock your hair's potential together. Let's get started.